Hello everyone, welcome back to Lori's Tech Time. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells. Today I have another Gadget Discovery Club unboxing. So this is a subscription that I get once a month. It's not a really expensive subscription box, so the stuff that I have been getting is not like really expensive. It's not worth hundreds and thousands of dollars. So it's just a fun surprise that I get every month. And I'll share it with you guys. Alright, so let's see what I got. Native HQ laptop stand. That's pretty interesting. I have a laptop. Let's see. Enjoy perfect posture. Sturdy build, and it's designed for airflow. It's made out of metal, but it does feel really sturdy. I just wonder if I can trust this. I like stuff on this. Okay, so it's got adjustable positions. I guess that's the lowest one. Doesn't seem very sturdy, that lowest. But it's barely in there. Yeah, it wants to come out. The highest one seems sturdy. Alright, it says it supports all laptops and tablets up to 15.6 inches. Alright, so that's neat. So you can use it on your iPad too. I'll have to try it out and let you guys know if I like it or not. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.